The year is 1740. Captain James stands on the deck of a British naval ship, the sea endless and gray. His crew has been at sea for months, food salted, air stale, bodies weakening. But the real enemy isn't the storm ahead, it's the one inside them. One by one, the men collapse. Their gums bleed, their legs swell, old wounds reopen. They bruise from the pressure of a handshake. No one knows why. It's called scurvy, and it's killing more sailors than war itself. For decades, the best navies on Earth could cross oceans but couldn't cross this mystery. Physicians tried vinegar, seawater, and even beer as cures. Nothing worked, because the missing ingredient wasn't medicine at all. It was a vitamin that hadn't yet been discovered. Scurvy is what happens when collagen collapses. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, is the enzyme's spark plug. Without it, the body can't hold itself together. Blood leaks through fragile vessels. Gums rot, bones soften, scars dissolve. It isn't starvation from lack of food, it's starvation from lack of repair. It isn't starvation from lack of food, it's starvation from lack of repair. In 1747, a Scottish surgeon named James Lind did something radical, a controlled experiment. 12 sailors, 6 pairs, each given a different remedy. 2 given citrus fruits, recovered in days. Lind had discovered nutrition science decades before vitamins even had a name. Lind's notes gathered dust. It took nearly 50 years for the British Navy to adopt citrus juice. When they did, scurvy all but vanished, and sailors earned a new nickname, Linneys. One simple molecule changed global exploration. What began as survival at sea became the foundation of modern nutrition. But vitamin C's story doesn't end with scurvy. It's still saving lives, just on a different battlefield, inside you. Vitamin C, or ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble antioxidant humans can't make. Most animals synthesize it in their liver. We lost that gene millions of years ago. Now we depend entirely on our diet, and that evolutionary oversight keeps every cell vulnerable. In your body, vitamin C plays 2 main roles. It's the builder and the bodyguard. As a builder, it enables enzymes to link collagen's triple helix, the protein that makes up skin, bone, and blood vessels. As a bodyguard, it donates electrons to neutralize free radicals, regenerating vitamin E and protecting cell membranes. Without enough, wounds refuse to heal, bones weaken, gums bleed. At a cellular level, vitamin C is your body's repair technician. Without it, maintenance stops. Vitamin C also powers your immune defenses. It concentrates in white blood cells at levels 10 times higher than in plasma. When infection strikes, those cells burn through their vitamin C stores rapidly, neutralizing oxidative stress from battle. It's biochemical warfare in microseconds. So, do you want to know what vitamin C does inside the body? Well, let's find out, matey. Arrgh! Every cell in your body relies on balance between oxidation and repair, between damage and renewal. Vitamin C sits quietly at the center of that balance, diffusing into tissues wherever stress is highest: lungs, skin, immune cells, even the adrenal glands. In collagen synthesis, vitamin C converts proline into hydroxyproline, a step that stabilizes the triple helix structure. Without it, collagen unravels like a rope with a missing twist. That's why wounds open, teeth loosen, and vessels leak. It also shields the vascular system. In your capillaries, vitamin C prevents oxidation of LDL cholesterol, keeps the endothelium flexible, and limits microdamage that leads to atherosclerosis. In essence, it's armor for your arteries. In the brain, vitamin C acts as an antioxidant and cofactor for neurotransmitter synthesis, helping convert dopamine into norepinephrine. Low levels can dull concentration and mood, which is why deficiency feels not just physical, but emotional. During infection, white blood cells flood tissues. They produce reactive oxygen to destroy microbes, but that same chemistry can scorch healthy cells. Vitamin C absorbs the collateral damage, donating electrons and sacrificing itself first. It's the frontline medic in every immune battle. Ever notice bruises healing faster with good nutrition? That's vitamin C accelerating fibroblast activity, collagen repair, and angiogenesis. Microscopic construction crews working overtime beneath your skin. The eyes hold the highest vitamin C concentration of any organ except the adrenal glands. It protects the lens from UV-induced oxidation, slowing the march toward cataracts. Even your vision depends on ascorbate's quiet vigilance. From the skin's glow to the heart's resilience, from collagen's strength to the mind's clarity, vitamin C isn't about boosting immunity. It's about maintaining the integrity of everything. Not a weapon, but the glue that keeps life together. But lo and behold, then came the myths. Somewhere between science and marketing, vitamin C became a miracle cure. Colds, cancer, even COVID. But medicine runs on data, not hope. Let's talk colds. Decades of studies show routine supplementation only slightly shortens duration, and mainly in people under heavy physical stress, like marathon runners or soldiers. For most, it's prevention through nutrition, not megadoses. As for intravenous high-dose therapy in cancer, research is ongoing. Some lab studies show vitamin C can generate hydrogen peroxide around tumor cells, but translating test tube miracles into human cures has proven elusive. Evidence supports comfort, not cure. And toxicity? Thankfully, it's rare. The kidneys excrete excess, though very high doses can cause gastrointestinal upset or kidney stones in predisposed individuals. More isn't always better. It's often just expensive urine. Balance beats obsession. The recommended daily allowance, about 75 to 90 milligrams, is met easily with citrus, berries, bell peppers, or broccoli. 5 servings of fruit and vegetables deliver far more synergy than any capsule ever could. And yes, smoking, stress, pollution, and chronic inflammation burn through vitamin C faster. It's not just diet that depletes you, it's lifestyle. The antioxidant cost of modern living is higher than ever. In the supplement aisle, everything glows orange. Immune shots, effervescent tablets, IV drips. Most are fine. Some are fads. The truth? Real immunity doesn't come from a powder. It's built daily through food, rest, and biology's quiet chemistry. Vitamin C deficiency is rare now, but marginal insufficiency is common, especially in the elderly, smokers, or those on restrictive diets. Fatigue, gum bleeding, poor wound healing, mild scurvy in modern disguise. So whether you're a sailor battling the sea or a modern soul battling stress, your cells fight the same invisible war, oxidation versus repair. Vitamin C is still the peacekeeper. From scurvy to science, from lemons to laboratories, this molecule changed history and continues to shape medicine, because the real superhero isn't the vitamin, it's the body that knows how to use it. So next time you slice an orange, remember, it's not just juice. It's a molecular inheritance, a story that began with sailors and ended inside your mitochondria. Every sip, a spark of resilience. Vitamin C taught us that small molecules can change human destiny. But there's another molecule, forged in sunlight, that may be shaping yours right now, silently. Vitamin D, the hormone masquerading as a vitamin. If you learned something today, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell, because knowledge is the real supplement your brain's been craving. Next time on Medical Minute, the sunshine molecule, how light, hormones, and immunity collide in ways that might just rewrite everything you thought you knew about health.